Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get statement on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. This opens your account settings. Scroll down and tap Documents. This section contains all your official Cash App records. Tap Monthly Statement or account statement. Choose the month you want to view. Your statement will open as a PDF file. You can now download the statement, share it by email, save it to your phone or your cloud storage. This is useful for bank, landlords or tax purpose. If you don't see the statement, make sure your app is updated. Older account may only show statement for the time they were activated, and that's it. That's how you get statement on Cash App. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.